Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to separate them in here. This one divided by this one, we have number 1. S divided by S, we have number 1. Next, I will put B equals to this one and Q equals to this one. We have the S. That means we need to do first the derivative of B with respect to Y. So we just have only this one. And we have negative 1 over S squared. This one we don't have Y. So you got 0. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of Q with respect to S, and we just have this one, and we have negative 1 over S squared. Now we see that this one and this one, they are the same, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. Fxy equals to the integrations. So I choose about this one in here. Plus 3xy. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over s. The integration of this one, we have y over s. Later that, we do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify and we have like this. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. So 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to this one. Fxy equal to c. And now we can simplify like this. That is the end. Thank you for watching.